Hey, this is Matias, and in this video, I'll show you how to save a lot of time importing designs from Figma into Klaviyo. This is a new update that came out like a couple months ago, but not that many people have used it or realized how much time this actually saves. So let's get into the video, and I'll save you half the time importing all your email designs into Klaviyo. So I'm here in my Klaviyo, and the first step to setting this up is on the menu of Klaviyo, click on integrations, which would usually be at the bottom. So you're gonna have to search up Figma. Or actually you're gonna go to explore apps and then search up Figma. So right here, just search up Figma and click on this one that has the logo built by Klaviyo. And all you need to do is click install and integrate it with your Figma account. So it will ask for your email and your password for Figma. Once you connect it, go to your Figma, and once you have your email design ready, which if you need help or want more advice on how to do email designs in Figma, I'll drop my YouTube video below in the description and you can watch how to make this email. But this is for people that already have an email and they just want to import it. So here you go. Usually, if you're used to Figma and Klaviyo, the best strategy is just to slice it, right? And then click export one by one and then import one by one. And this is the cool thing about the new update. So let's say this is the email you want. And first, let's click on PNG. So one tip I would say is if the slice is mostly text or color, I'll do PNG. And if it's more of an image, I'll do JPEG. And I like doing 1.2x. So also another thing, I click copy paste. So now there's a duplicate. And now all you have to do is slide it down. So you don't have to match the angle. Everything's already perfectly aligned. You just copy and paste it, drag it down. This is also perfectly aligned now because all you do is drag in the top part. This part, I'm gonna do JPEG, copy paste, drag it down. This is already gonna save you a lot of time if you're not already doing this. I'll just click on PNG, copy paste. I'll just do it right here. Do JPEG, copy paste. And this is the footer, so I'll end it right before the footer, JPEG. Now, we have a total of 5 slices. Highlight all 5. Click on apps and click on the Klaviyo app now. And boom, it's gonna say export all 5 slices based on the export settings you chose. So that's why I chose PNG or JPEG. So it's already gonna export it based on what I selected. And then click export all 5 to Klaviyo. Once you go to Klaviyo, let's just start a campaign. So let's click on templates. I would say use an email design you already have, but let's just start it simple and create a new template. Fresh, just in case anybody doesn't have one saved yet. But most of the time I just used an old one and I just update everything. So we have everything right here. Let me just delete this. Click on image, select image, and boom, all 5 images slices are already set up in Klaviyo. You don't have to export it, you don't have to do anything. It's already here. And to make it really fast, let me show you how to do it. So just click select. I would, as you're doing this, put an alt text. And each alt text has to be different for every image. This will help you land in the primary tab, not in spam, because Gmail and all the platforms want you to use alt text. Basically, alt text is if an image doesn't load, it shows this up. And also, I would add a link. So, I don't know, just put your website's link right here, www. whatever it is. Now, just click on duplicate, replace. Now, click on the second image, which I'm pretty sure is this one. Yeah, and then now click duplicate, replace, and then just keep following this process. See how much faster this is now. I probably imported so many emails, and this is gonna definitely save you a lot of time and less opportunity for errors, which is really important too. And then if you want the footer, you can either have one already saved to your Klaviyo or just make it right here. If you want to make it, just click section, and then add one more image, and it'll be this footer. So let me just add this footer too. Once again, just click on Klaviyo, export. As it's loading, just click on select image, and it should pop up. I will refresh it if it doesn't. But no more looking at your downloads and going one by one. This streamlines the process. And hopefully this gives you a lot more time to design and to focus on other things of your brand. But let me see. Click select image. Here you go. So now, before sending a campaign, always double check the alt text. Also, another thing about duplicating it, all you need to do now, usually I just do project 2, project 3. I just go down the list of images so everyone is different. And also, whatever link you put in the first image, it duplicates all the way down. If you want to select different website links for the different images, maybe you want this one to be your homepage and down here to be a women's link or category, you could update it and you're finished. So drop a like, subscribe, and if you need more help, watch my YouTube videos or DM me on Instagram if you want to work with me. I have an email marketing agency. I'll see you.